writing a story is a lot like being a director in a film, a director. So what does the director do? So can anybody tell me what does a director do?
Me.
Yes, tell me what a director does.
Sometimes they do like different episodes.
Okay, they do different episodes, but what do they do? What does a director in a film do?
They're like in charge. They're like in charge of like how does the actors like act.
Right? How does the actors act? Some more?
A
lot more. Yes, Jian Jie, you want to come in? Want to help her? What does the director do?
Direct them.
Okay, so
how they are supposed to act.
that's how they're supposed to act. Okay, yes, that's one of them. Every single decision, the music, what kind of music will come on, the sound effects, every decision of the whole movie is the director's power to decide. So the same way, you are the director of your story. So you have to decide on what does your actor look like, what does your place look like, what does the costume look like. Everything has to be decided by you. Yes, Venice, please.
How about the names?
The names and everything is the writer of the story that does that. So story writers and directors do different things, yeah? So the writer, usually, let's say it's based on a book, right? The writer will write a book already, and then he'll pass to the director. The director likes the book, and he will convert everything into pictures. Yes, so yes, you must think visually. You must so in the same way, you need to think visually. For your essay, you need to imagine first. You must exercise your picturing, your imagination in your brain. What the costumes will look like? What does the world look like? Like, for example, Yan Jie, imagine this world that's already very dead and everything. Can you compare the suits? What has changed? What do you think has changed? Can you describe the changes in language?
The chest thingy is instead of yellow color, it becomes blue.
It's kind of lighter in color, silverish, right? On the right hand side. Okay, yes, instead of black, it's nice silverish. Some more. Silver. So the color silver, yes, some more. What happened to the belt? What happened to the design of the belt? This is like smoother, sleeker, right? Smoother, sleeker. This one is like and gold, right? Very outstanding.
It's gonna be so heavy.
This one is very the one on the right is much darker. It's much more discreet. It doesn't draw attention, right? It's more like a soldier's suit. I would say it's more armorish, more like a soldier's a robotic or soldier kind of a thing. This left one looks more, I don't know, different, right? Different. The feeling is different, right? So visual design is different. So your job as a writer is to convert the picture that you have in your mind and put it into language. So some people think in big pictures, right? Some people are picture thinkers. Some people are language thinkers. You need to activate that part of your brain, which changes pictures, you have to imagine it first, into language, so that when the reader reads your language, he can imagine back the same picture in your brain. Okay, so this is very, very important skill set.